Hey guys, Keith here with Alien Drones. Thanks for stopping by. Always appreciate it. It's really good to see you. So today I'm going to do a quick video on the giveaway for the Drocon DC-08 that's been ongoing. I've had such a hard time picking somebody, I decided to do a random giveaway instead, just making sure that whoever entered actually followed all the rules. But instead of just posting the name, as much as it was exciting me to try to find who was going to win, I decided I would include you on the process, and as I'm picking this, you will see it, and we'll go from there. So, without further ado, let's just see who wins this drone. So we have our YouTube picker here. I'm just going to put in the video, the actual review video, and the correct number of times that I said Drocon, including the Drocon, was 8. So I'm going to put in 8 here and search on that. And I did have a couple people who typed out the word 8, and I have compensated for that by adding an entry for those. There's a few people that did that, so no worries there. Going to go ahead and put that in and see what happens, see how many entries that we have that actually had the right answer. So here we go. So we had 70 people who had the correct number in the comments of the correct video. I'm going to go now to the random picker, and we're going to just click start and see who that person is. Drum roll, please. The winner of the Drocon DC-08 drone is Owen's Workbench is the winner of the DC-08 Drocon drone. I will go through and just double check, make sure they had their comment in the other video as well. So let's do that quick. And I'm searching here for the giveaway video, which was the initial one. Currently I have the Holy Stone Predator. Not a bad little starter drone as well, but this will be a nice addition to the lineup. And here is Owen's YouTube page. A lot of varied videos here, from photography, videography, book reviews, drones, wow, MATLAB, PID controllers, EM radiation. Wow, this is pretty cool stuff. And I can say from myself, I'm an engineer doing robotics, automation, programming, and electronics. This is pretty impressive. I think at that age, I was more interested in my mini bike at the time, but this is pretty interesting. So, Owen, I look forward to your review using the Drocon drone. I really do. And everybody else, I appreciate you guys entering. I really, truly do. Make sure you take the time to congratulate Owen on winning the contest. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. I've got some videos in the works right now with regard to remote ID. There's some things going on I think you need to know about. So make sure if you're not, click that button now so you can get notified when that is done. And with that, I appreciate all you guys entering. Had a lot of great entries, a lot of great comments, and I do appreciate it. Until next time, good flying.